So today we are making a beautiful cake which is called Torta del Paradiso. We have 130 grams of all-purpose flour, 130 grams of potato starch, 250 grams of icing sugar, 5 egg yolks, 2 whole eggs, 200 grams of butter at room temperature, very soft, 1 teaspoon of baking powder with vanilla, the zest of 1 lemon, and 2 pinches of salt. In a bowl, we add the soft butter, the icing sugar, and the pinch of salt, then the lemon zest. At this point, we start mixing with the mixer. After 10 minutes, we know that it is ready because if you look at the consistency, it is very soft. And if you look at the color, it is a pale yellow, which is almost white. So that's how we know that it is ready. Okay, now it is the time to add the egg yolks. One by one, go very slowly. So as you can see, we are adding a little bit by a little bit and continue mixing. Make sure the previous part of the egg has been absorbed and then continue adding the rest. Now we pass to the whole egg, one at a time. And after the eggs have been absorbed, we can start adding the flour. So combine together the potato starch with the all-purpose flour and the baking powder. Then with a sifter, add it to the butter little by little. With the help of a rubber spatula, mix it all together. Make sure everything has been absorbed. Continue mixing, go little by little until all the flour has been absorbed. Once all the flour has been absorbed, it is time to transfer it inside a floured cake pan. So transfer all of it. Make sure it is nice and flat, all even. Now it's time to go inside the Ciao Bella pizza oven. So the oven needs to be around 350 to 360 Fahrenheit with no flame. That is very important because we don't want to burn the cake. Let it cook for around 40 minutes. So a little tip is to place some aluminum foil on top to cover it and rotate the cake so it will cook all evenly. Okay, so as you can see, after 40 minutes, look at the cake, how beautiful it is. It's ready to be taken out, so we go inside. And a little tip is to take out the cake from the pan and flip it over on a plate. Let it rest for around 10 minutes. And this little tip will prevent the cake from sticking to the serving plate. After 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to flip the cake back again in the serving plate. Spread it with some icing sugar, cut a slice, and it's ready to serve. You can have it with some milk, with some tea, and trust me, it is super good. Have it for breakfast, it's perfect.